Namaste. Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol of estimation of hemoglobin. What is the estimation of hemoglobin? Estimation of hemoglobin belongs to the human anatomy and physiology practical for the B Pharm first semester. So today's object is estimation of hemoglobin with the help of Sahali's hemoglobinometer equipment, blood, glass slide, and watch microscope. So hemoglobin is iron containing red pigments of the blood. It is a tetrapyrrole uh, porphyrin, porphyrin ring consisting of 4 heme moiety and 4 globin chain, 96%. Heme is iron present in ferrous and ferric state containing pigments. Globin is a histone type protein and hemoglobin carries the O2 from lung to tissue and the CO2 from the tissue to lung. So types of hemoglobin, adult hemoglobin and fetal hemoglobin. Clinical significance of hemoglobin count, each RBC contain about 280 million of Hb, which is responsible for the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide 23%. The percentage of RBC in the blood is called the hematocrit, which is clinically important. The normal range of hematocrit for male is 40 to 54% and it is 38 to 46% in case of female. Normal range of hemoglobin, male 14 to 70 grams per dl of blood and female 12 to 14 grams per dl of blood. So clinical significance of hemoglobin estimation is also the cause of anemia. Hemoglobin estimation below normal level indicates that the patient is anemic. In this condition, there is not enough hemoglobin available to carry sufficient oxygen from the lungs to tissue. Uh, Polycythemia. When RBC count is elevated, sometimes in disease condition like hemoconcentration due to burns, cholera and chronic heart disease. Condition of decreased lung function such as emphysema or due to climbing as the oxygen level is less in the high altitude. So method of hemoglobin count. Visual color comparison method, Sahali's method, Deer's method, Haddon's method, Winthrop's method, and Alden's method, and Talkewitt's method, and geometric method, and Wall-Strike method. So spectrophotometric method, oxyhemoglobin method, and synmethemoblic method, and automated hemoglobinometry, non-automated hemoglobinometry, and other method, alkaline hematine method, and specific gravity method, and comparator method. So all or these methods are also considered in hemoglobin estimation. This protocol is almost clear and this session is completed. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.